understand. You play with the star, and then you come and hug Mommy and scream. And you do it like 20 times in a row, huh? That wasn't enough playing with it, huh? Such a silly Billy. You're such a silly. Did you know? Did you know you're the silly Billy yet? Hi, silly Billy. Love you.